Hello guys, so for today's video, we are going to apply for a credit card online. So kagaya nga na sinabi ko doon sa last video natin, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba nag apply online ng credit card. Paano ba pinifill upan yung mga fields ng tama, ano-ano ba yung mga requirements na dapat pinapasa natin, and iba-iba pang mga strategies para syempre mas tumaas yung ating chances of approval. I'm actually planning to make this video a series, no? So iba't ibang klase ng credit cards a-applyan natin online. And I know that this will be exciting, no? Kasi syempre, yung ibang credit cards pwedeng ma-approve tayo, yung ibang credit cards pwedeng ma-decline tayo. Pero kagandahan nito, sabay-sabay natin siya gagawin. So malalaman natin kung ano ba yung mga ginagawa nating tama, ano ba yung mga ginagawa nating mali during our credit card application. For this week's video, no, uunahin natin, no, the Union Bank credit card, no. Basically, ang plano kong applyan is the Union Bank Rewards credit card, which is the number one credit card din sa ating Moneymax link. Basically, itong credit card na to, kasi meron ako before nito nung nasa Citibank pa siya, pero pinakancel ko to noon. So right now, wala na akong gantong credit card. So para din sa purpose itong illustration na to, we are going to use our Moneymax link, syempre, di ba? Syempre naman, maisingit natin yan, di ba? Para syempre, kapag nag-apply kayo at na-approve kayo, meron din kayong matatanggap na welcome gift. Disclaimer lang guys, no, alam nyo naman, di ba, that I am an affiliate of Moneymax. So every time na na-approve kayo, may na-approve sa inyo na credit card application, nakakatanggap tayo ng maliit na commission. So basically, natutulungan nyo yung ating channel. And kung gusto nyo pa, no, na mas matulungan yung ating channel, tapos hindi ka pa pala subscribe, mas maganda mag-subscribe ka na, no? And syempre, click mo na rin yung bell icon para ma-notify kapag may mga bagong videos. So ano pang hinihintay natin, no? Huwag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa, no? Simulan na natin. I don't think kailangan pa ng mahabang introduction itong video na to, no? So let's get into it. Click na natin yung description ng Moneymax link dito sa baba ng video na to. Okay guys, so after we click the Moneymax link, no, mapupunta tayo dito sa website ng Noy Finance na Linktree. Makikita natin dyan may iba't ibang klase ng credit cards. May Union Bank, merong Metro Bank, merong BPI, merong RCBC. So for the purpose of this illustration, sabi ko nga mag-a-apply tayo ng Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. So we will just click that link. And then mapupunta na tayo dito sa moneymax.ph. So makikita natin, no, you are applying for Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. So kita natin dito guys, so that the minimum annual income for this credit card was 180,000 pesos. Pero as far as I know, ito yung dun sa mga carded na, no. So kung wala ka pang existing na credit card, pwedeng mas mataas yung required na annual income, okay? So the annual fee for this credit card is 0 kasi nga right now merong promo si Union Bank Rewards Credit Card na no annual fee for life. For the rewards naman, no, itong credit card na to, nag-earn siya ng 1 point for every 30 pesos that you spend. Pero nagiging 3 times siya pagdating sa shopping and sa dining, both local and overseas, okay? So yun yung kanyang benefit, okay? So rewards, retail spend, 3 rewards points. And then for the Moneymax welcome gift, we can get a reward of up to 3,000 pesos worth of e-gift card. So after natin ma-check yung details na yan, all we have to do is to click the apply now button. Basically nakalagay dito na confirm your contact details to claim your exclusive reward. So kailangan mo ilagay yung mga details mo like first name, last name, email address, yung monthly income mo, yung employment status mo, no, kung employed ka ba privately, government, self-employed. Then after nyo mapilapan yan, just click confirm details. So now nakikita natin you are being directed to Union Bank, okay? So ngayon nasa Union Bank website na tayo and makikita natin that we've chosen the Rewards Platinum Visa. So the first question is, do you have a principal credit card with another bank? So meron ditong yes at least 6 months, no, and yes, less than 6 months. So for the purpose of this illustration, we will click no. So the next question is, do you have with you your latest payslip or ITR or and 2 valid IDs? Okay, so syempre kailangan natin ng IDs, kailangan natin ng proof of income sa pag-apply. Okay, so we have to click yes here. The next question is your annual income at least 250,000 pesos. So ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, since clinic natin yung no na wala tayong existing credit card, naging parang at least 250,000 yung required na income annually nitong credit card na to instead of 180,000 pesos. So let's say yes, we are earning at least 250,000 pesos a year. After that, no, kailangan na natin ng credit card verification. So basically, we will need to input our mobile number and then yung ating ID din, no? So, please select the type of ID you will be using and ensure you have it on hand before proceeding, okay? Pero bago nito yung mga reminders, no, na kailangan yung ID natin is, ang ID natin is valid, no, at least 30 calendar days, okay, from the date of application. So, hindi dapat yan expired. Must be valid photo ID card or passport, must match with the name you provided. Make sure the ID right side up, make sure the ID is clear and readable kapag pinicture na natin. Avoid flash or glare. An ID with an address is preferable, okay? And laminated ID with manually affixed photo is not acceptable. So basically, yan yung mga photos na madali kasing mapeke, di ba? So basically, ito yung mga IDs, no, na pwede: password with signature, driver's license, yung Philippine ID, PRC, SSS, UMID. So after natin maglagay ng ID type, no, so kailangan din natin i-check tong I confirm that by clicking on confirm and continue. I have read and agreed the Union Bank's data privacy terms. So click nyo lang yan, makikita nyo dito yung data privacy statement. So scroll nyo lang yan hanggang dulo. And then after nyo makarating sa dulo, makikita nyo dyan yung accept na button. So just click that and click continue. So after that, makaka-receive na tayo ng OTP dun sa mobile number na nilagay natin, no? So ilagay nyo lang yung OTP na yan to proceed. Okay, so next step natin is magsasubmit na tayo ng photo, no? So for this illustration, driver's license yung pinili natin. So pipicture na natin yung driver's license natin. Take note lang guys, no, na front and back yan, and then after nyan, kailangan nyo mag-selfie. Okay, so after nyo ma-upload yung nagaganda at nagagwapuhan ng mga mukha ninyo, di ba? Dito sa Union Bank app, sa selfie, no? Ang next step na natin, syempre, is ilalagay na natin yung ating mga basic information. So ano ba yung mga na dyan? Syempre, kailangan natin nung ating mga pangalan, first name, middle name, yung ating last name, of course. Kung meron kayong suffix sa pangalan, isama nyo rin yan. Dito makikita rin natin yung ID type na nilagay natin. So double check nyo kung tama yung ID number, yung birth date ninyo na nakuha dun sa ID, no? So pwede nyo naman yan i-edit. And syempre kailangan nyo rin yung email address ninyo na ilagay dyan. So after natin ilagay yung ating email address, makikita natin dito, no, na meron clickable link na naman na I confirm that by clicking on confirm and continue I agree with the Union Bank's credit card term. So pag clinic natin yan, makikita natin na may lalabas ulit na parang statement. So scroll down lang natin yun hanggang sa dulo and then click accept. So ganun din yung I authorize Union Bank to get my personal data and other information from TransUnion Information Solution to pre-fill my application. So basically, kapag clinic natin itong continue is i-check na ngayon ni Union Bank yung ating basic information na nilagay. Ibabangga na yan dun sa record sa TransUnion, no? Kung meron ba tayong bad credit history, meron ba tayong mga canceled card. So most probably hindi magtutuloy yung ating application kapag meron na-detect na ganun. Kasi in that way, no, mas mabilis na nasasala ni Union Bank yung mga application niya. Nakikita niya kung sino yung mas madadali niyang i-approve kasi wala namang mga bad credit record at pasok naman yung requirements. And at the same time, sino yung kailangan pa ng further evaluation kasi merong nakitang record sa TransUnion. May mga instances na kapag, for example, may na-detect si Union Bank na parang record natin sa TransUnion na hindi maganda, nag-stop dito yung ating application. So hindi tayo nagtutuloy dun sa next step. At ang nangyayari is parang binibigyan na lang tayo ni Union Bank ng reference number for our application. And ang basa ko dyan actually is either parang no-automatic decline tayo or for further evaluation pa yung credit card application natin. Magandang gawin kung ganun yung nai-experience niyo is i-screenshot nyo lang yung inyong reference number. And then, you can try to contact customer service ng Union Bank to verify kung ano ba talaga yung status ng application ninyo. Huwag nyo i-try ulit, no? Kasi magdodoble-doble yung credit card application ninyo at magkakaroon ng effect yan sa inyong credit score. So, hindi maganda yung ganun. Basically, ang next step kasi talaga is the employment details na, no? So, makikita natin dito na kailangan natin ilagay yung ating civil status, yung ating nationality, and then after that, yung employment details natin, no? So, ano bang employment sector tayo? Private ba? Government? Self-employed? Syempre, yung nature of business natin o ng company na pinagtatrabuhan natin, yung position natin, job title, of course, the name of the business of or the name of our employer, and gross annual income. This one includes 13-month pay. So basically, kung ano yung sahod mo sa isang buwan, multiply mo lang yun by 13. That's your gross monthly pay na ilalagay dito sa field na to. Then after that, click lang natin yung confirm and continue, and then mapupunta na tayo sa ating next step, which is the additional information. So basically, ang kailangan natin gawin dito is to review and complete yung details natin. So make sure nyo na tama yung pangalan ninyo. You are qualified based on the details you provided. Fill out below and upload documents to complete your application. So dito makikita natin what is your home address. So ilagay lang natin yung address natin dyan, yung ating province, yung ating city. Complete address, make sure kasi dyan nila ibibase kung saan nila ipapadala yung card ninyo kung sakali ma-approve kayo. Then kailangan nyo rin ilagay yung inyong preferred mailing address. So ito na nga kung sa home ba o sa business nyo gusto ipadala yung inyong credit card. So make sure na ilagay nyo rin yung inyong business phone number and yung office email address. So mahalaga yung office email address kasi hindi nila tinatanggap pag same yung personal email address saka doon sa office email address. Then sa baba may nakalagay pa rito, tell us more about yourself, So hindi matapos-tapos yung tell me about yourself. Okay? So dito naman nakalagay yung place of birth, So lagay natin yung place of birth natin and yung source of funds natin. So kung salary man yan o commission or kung ano man. Actually meron din siyang option save for later, Let's say for example nagmamadali kayo at hindi nyo na matapos. So pwede nyo gawin yun at i-continue nyo na lang mamaya. So after ko nang i-continue, napunta na ako dito sa your application has been saved, So kindly save your reference number for you to continue anytime. Okay, so I have the application reference number here. I'm not really sure kung meron pang next step doon, like mag-upload ba ako ng documents or kung ano man. Actually guys, sa pan-checking, meron ako natanggap na email from Union Bank that we need a few documents to complete your credit card application. So basically, meron ditong link wherein pwede kong i-upload yung aking documents. Okay, so ngayon nandito na ako sa link na binigay ni Union Bank, na document upload. So we need additional documents. Nandito yung file format. So please ensure that the information you provide is correct since you will not be able to edit it once you proceed to the next page. Okay? So my problem is here, hindi ko alam kung paano ako makakapag-upload ng documents. Kasi nakalagay lang dito yung submit application. So wala rito yung option to attach files or mag-take ng photo o kung ano man. So since hindi ko alam ang gagawin guys, just click submit application na lang natin muna. Tingnan natin ano mangyayari. So please take up to 1 minute. So nakalagay dito waiting for application status with our application reference number. So parang na-submit nga siya. So I don't know what will happen kasi hindi tayo nakapag-upload ng documents. So after that, naka-receive ako ulit ng email from Union Bank that your credit card application has been received. Thank you for submitting your credit card application. We will update you within 3 working days. Okay, so guys, binalikan ko yung page kanina at lumabas na tong page na to, Congratulations, your BP 201 has been approved. Your card reference number is this. So protect your outstanding credit card balances. It's just insurance, I think. So basically, na-approve yung ating application without even uploading an income document, So I don't know what happens kung nangyayari ba talaga yon or what. Pero this is, so of course, magandang bagay for me. Tingnan natin dito sa baba na meron yung activate your card. So upon checking, dito nga sa email, nakatanggap tayo ulit ng email from Union Bank na meron yung card reference number natin that your credit card approval is confirmed. Okay? So while your physical card is being prepared for delivery, you can already start using your virtual credit card. Okay? So for online purchases only. To help you stay protected from online scams, we've attached a security guide with important reminders. Okay? So, how to access your virtual card. So, basically, kung wala pa kayong Union Bank application, i-download nyo lang using the QR below. Then, it's either you sign up or pag meron ka na existing Union Bank app, just add account, So, makikita natin dun, meron tayong pwedeng pagpilian, credit cards, debit cards. I think for this one, ang kailangan natin is a card reference number. So, pag clinic natin yung card reference number, input natin yung card reference number na meron sa email, and then lalabas na yung ating virtual card dun sa ating Union Bank online application. So again, just a few reminders, your physical credit card will be delivered to your registered address soon. Please note that it may have a different card number from your virtual card. For safety purposes kasi ang virtual card, iba talaga yung details niya para maprotektahan yung details ng physical card mo. Okay? So once received, activate through Union Bank Online before using it in-store purchases. So basically, ganun lang kadali guys, no? Ganun lang kadali mag-apply online ng credit card. Pero syempre, nakita natin, no, hindi tayo pinag-upload ng mga income documents, pero kailangan required yun, no? Madalas required yun. Dapat ready tayo na i-upload yung mga yun, okay? But for this time, hindi ko alam ano nangyari. Mukhang it's our lucky day at hindi nila tayo pinag-upload pa nun. Tapos, approve pa tayo agad. So, sa mga susunod na videos natin, mag-try naman tayo ng iba. Let's say RCBC, BPI, at kung ano-ano pa. No? Almost all banks naman kasi ngayon meron ng mga online application. Kaya kung nagpaplano rin kayo mag-apply for a credit card online, check yung link natin sa description from Moneymax para syempre ma-qualify din kayo for a welcome gift pag na-approve kayo. So syempre pag dumating yung credit card na yun, i-unbox naman natin yun, no? Titignan natin ano yung details. Credit card na yun, Union Bank Rewards Credit Card is actually one of the best credit cards that I know here in the Philippines. Isa yan sa pinakamaraming ina-applyan sa atin sa Moneymax. So yun lang guys, I hope no, na marami kayong natutunan at nakuwang tips, no, kung nagbigay man ako. Okay? Pero kung hindi man, no, pwede kayong magtanong sa comment section kung medyo nalilito kayo sa steps natin or meron kayong gusto i-clarify. Mag-comment lang kayo at sasagutin natin yan. Kung meron naman kayong mga mas detailed concerns, no, pwede nyo pa rin i-check yung ating deep dive consultation, no. So meron pa rin tayo niyan. Click nyo again yung link sa description kung kailangan nyo ng isang one-on-one consultation or ng ating detailed response. So yun lang guys, no, kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, please hit the like button and of course share this to your friends. Huwag nyo rin kalimutan na mag-join sa ating Facebook private group, no. And syempre, kung interested din kayo dito sa ating Noy Finance YouTube group, no, pwede nyo i-check yung link sa description. So syempre, kung na-approve din kayo sa credit card na to, no, kung sinabayan nyo ako sa pag-a-apply, ang susunod natin kailangan malaman, ano ba yung kailangan natin ginagawa, no, right after natin ma-approve sa credit card. So kung gusto mo yung ganong klase ng information, panoorin mo tong video na to. That's it guys, I hope. And that's it guys. Again, this is Raymond from Noy Finance and I'll see you in the next video.